Hello everyone and welcome to my second ever video here on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some techniques for drawing black fur with coloured pencils, and I'll only be using 3 shades in this video, so it is perfect for beginners. And I'll make sure to link everything that I use down below, including the reference photo and materials. The photo that I'm using today is a cropped section of a black Labrador that's got quite warm colours in it. So the first shade that I'm going to use, which is the lightest of the shades, is Warm Grey 1, and I use this just to create a really soft base layer by pressing on quite hard and just colouring in the whole square. Now that the base layer is done and the paper is lovely and soft, I can start going in with the next colour, which is Warm Grey 5, and this is the mid-tone that we're using. When I'm drawing fur, I always like to use at least 3 different colours: the base coat, the mid-tone, and then a darker colour that goes on top to really create the dimension. So pretty much all that you have to do is start building up little hair strokes in the direction that the fur is moving in. And I often like to go, say, forwards a few strokes and then backwards a few strokes, and then that gives the shape and the texture of the fur, and it helps you build it up a bit quicker too. For drawing fur like this that doesn't sit completely flat and it's got a bit of texture and the hairs kind of all overlap each other, what I like to do is I like to draw little triangular shapes almost. So I'll draw backwards from the left and then from the right, and those lines will meet in the middle to create a small point. And I just do that over and over again, all kind of overlapping each other, and that recreates that texture. Now for the third and final colour of the tutorial, I am using good old black to go on top of what we've just done and basically repeat. This is going to create those really deep shadows that'll bring it to life, and what I like to do is press on quite hard with this colour in order to get that depth. and there we have it, the finished piece. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe if you want to see more, and if you try this at home, please tag me on social media because I would love to see what you create. Thanks for watching everyone, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.